To enable or disable reading mode in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down to the display and brightness. After entering it, we'll be able to find the eye comfort and sleep. Select it, and here you can activate or deactivate bedtime mode. So it applies a bit of a reddish tint to your screen, so you can already see the difference for reading. You can then go to more options right here below with eye protection AI. If you want to use AI, you can, but honestly I don't like using it, so I'm gonna disable it. Real reading mode is found right here in the eye comfort. You can activate this option and then adjust the screen temperature for your own good, and you can even go for a paper texture so that your display looks like actual paper. You can also change the display effects to black and white if you like to read in black and white, and that way I would also recommend to put the screen color temperature all the way to the left and disable the no, okay, so that's fine. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.